all good.
Right, what got here?
Raisins, cranberry, goji berries, all dry. We'll do a bit of that in there.
Yeah.
Fill it with water.
Yeah.
Boil it so they can like rehydrate.
Oh, okay.
Help yourself.
And actually, if you're thinking of a
smudge, a rouge, or
we'll make a kind of a tray of biscuits. So I guess that'll do for the raisins. Yeah, well, we're going to have all three.
Yeah, I think you put a bit more.
Yeah? And these are, taste my lint. Cranberries. Just love cranberries.
More raisins, a bit more cranberries.
Yeah.
And a bit of
Goji. Again, a bit stuck in a packet.
There's no sugar in them, so your natural sugar
Yeah.
is fruit. You're going to rehydrate the whole thing.
Exactly.
No extra added sugar.
Look at them goji berries. They're going to pop up, aren't they? Good. That enough?
Yeah.
That looks like a pile of fruit.
It's looking good there.
Let's fill out the water.
Oh, yeah, fill it up with water.
There you go.
Good stuff, right? Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Then we're going to put it on to rehydrate. And how long should we rehydrate it for?
We're just going to let it rehydrate by itself, tranquillement, whilst we're going to make the paste.
Oh, okay, good. Good stuff. And once again, for the ingredients, 225 grams of
Flour. 225.
So this is basically a standard run-of-the-mill, ordinary, as ordinary as we can make it, baking flour.
Yeah. Plain baking flour.
And does it have a special number?
It should.
It should. 225, you said?
Yeah.
130, 150, 200, 230. Oh, we're just a tad over. We'll be fine. But because it's
110 grams.
It's going to be tricky.
Try it again.
It's going to be tricky getting
110 grams of both of these.
Of both of those together, so half and half. Let me go. Yeah. Okay. So 110. Oh, well, he says he's
50 and.
He says he's 2040. I don't know what he's doing there. We have to zero him out again. Okay. So then we want
Put 50 grams.
50 grams of him.
Yeah. Put 60 grams of him.
And that was, what was that? That was
Caster
sugar. And this is fructose.
Yeah. Get myself a little
Spagoon. Or a little neg knife. Oh yeah, use a little bit. So 60.
Yeah.
60 of fructose. To take it up to 110.
Yeah.
Which is where we were at. Looking for our sugariness. But not so sugary. Bingo!
Lovely.
So we're all good then.
What you could do is sieve that all out.
Sieve it all out.
Pour it all in here. I'll get yourself a good sieve there.
Get a little sieve. Alright. I'm going to sieve that back into the bowl. So that's sugar and flour, all
fructose.
With the fructose. So half icing sugar and half fructose, fruit sugar, all sieved up. So we were at 225 flour and 50 of icing sugar and 60 of fructose.
There you go.
There you go. And then we'll go into the next step, which is
butter.
So then we have to put the butter in.
Egg, milk.
Okay. And do we have quantities of butter available?
80 grams.
80 grams of butter. So we're going to put 80 grams of butter, 1 egg, and enough milk to make it a paste. So there we go. That's the next step.
with the flour.
Here we go. Yeah, it's rolling. Yeah. So we got added a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of caraway
Some salt.
powdered to add a little bit of flavour, and then we've got 80 grams of milk, 80 grams of butter, and 1 egg going into the mix. And we'll save you the boringness of watching us mix it up, but we'll mix it all up. And then I'll just take you back over to the fruit for a second. And back here over at the fruit, we've heated it all up. It's almost taken up all this water, and the fruit is very puffed up with water. It's expanded. And then we're going to mix that up into a fruit paste and put it in between 2 layers of the biscuit pastry. Mixing it all up with the milk, and then we're going to add the butter.
Boom.
Bada boom.
Boom.
So here we take that lovely fruit, which is all
Goji.
yes.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Raisins.
Yeah.
With a tad of rum.
Yeah. A little
right,
half
put together.
cup full of rum in there.
There you go.
Didn't see that one, but you know, it went in secretly whilst you weren't watching. So we're going to stick that in the liquidizer, liquid it all up, and we'll be back.
I nearly did it clean,
So this is, we're preparing the tray with some cooking paper, and we've got both pastes in the fridge, cooling off. Let's see if we can see. Yeah. So there's the, yep, that's cooling off in the fridge there, and the other one is, I don't know where it is.
In the freezer.
In the freezer, yeah.
Whenever you are.
So here we are. This is the paste which is being put through, just squashed out on baking paper, and we're going to do 2 of these and stick them in the freezer to cool them off a bit to thicken up the paste so that we can make our biscuit. So here we are. This has come out of the freezer now. It's been in the freezer. Well, the fruit paste has been in the fridge, and the pastry paste has been in the freezer for about 20 minutes to cool it off and give it a bit of solidity. That gives us the possibility to spread the fruit paste over the bottom layer of biscuit, which we are evidently just now doing. Then, with a bit of luck, we'll be able to put the top layer of biscuit and smack it in the oven, which we will preheat to 160 degrees centigrade.
Probably 180.
Okay, we'll preheat it to 180
Yeah.
to give it a biscuit crispy on the outside. So we've just taken this out of the freezer, and it looks like we're ready to cook it rock and roll. So then the cooking paper comes right off it. Isn't that just amazing?
Should we cut them or no, just slap it right on?
Yeah, slap it on, I think, do. Slap it on. We'll cut it when it's hot.
Do you want to put something on top of it?
I don't think it needs to, does it?
No, I don't think so.
No, I want it
Very
crispy
nice.
golden brown. Unless you think it would be good with a little bit of egg yellow to give it that crispy golden brown colour.
Yeah, we can.
Alright, well we'll brush a little bit of egg on it then. But if we were going to brush a bit of egg on it, we'll need a bit more egg. The eggs are in the other kitchen, so we'll go and get some egg and we'll brush it on and stick it in the oven. And there you go, whisked egg going on top for that delicious golden brown colour. And next stop, the oven at 180 for however long it takes. And that's sprinkled with a chia, flaxseed and sesame mix. That should be delicious. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness me. I'm going to have to taste that. Taste it. Mmm. 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 Very fruity.
Yeah?
Yeah. Very fruity. Delicious.
Good.
Well, I guess we're going to leave it at that. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications bell. And leave me your comments and suggestions below. Delicious.